Hey everyone, this is Zama. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this super cute and easy bra or top made out of a bandana. So if you guys want to see how I made it step by step, make sure to keep on watching. So first we're going to start with the bandana, and this is a bandana I bought at the 99-cent store. And I've already ironed it as well to remove as many wrinkles as I can. And the next step is to fold it in half, just like it is like that, and we're going to fold it in half. So once it's been folded in half, we're going to cut along so right here. So the next step is to separate both pieces, and we are going to put them upside. The side that's going to be on the inside is facing upward, and we're going to be pinning them right here. Once it's been pinned just like that, we are going to sew straight across. So now I've completely sewn one side, and obviously this one is not sewn. And I am going to flatten it out just like that now that it's connected. So as you can see, it's now a really long piece. So now we're going to be working on the top portion of the bra. So now we are going to be working right here, and this is the fabric that's going to be on the inside, so make sure you have that upwards. And we are going to flat iron about half an inch all on the top. So you're just going to flatten it like this and iron it right on top. And we're doing this because we are going to do it one more time, just like so. So this is the tunnel where our elastic goes. And this is the type of elastic that I have. It's black. You can use the white, it won't really matter. So that's what we're going to do next. So we're going to do this first. And then afterwards, you're going to make the little tunnel. And obviously you want it big enough for your elastic. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. So this is how it looks once I've ironed that little flap just like so. And the next step is to fold it one more time and sew it right on top, making that little tunnel. So this is how it looks up close. Now I have my little tunnel. So this is the top, and now we're going to do the same step on the bottom. So I have this elastic ready to put on my little tunnels, and you first want to measure how on top of your chest, the top portion, see how tight you want it, and then cut it. And this is my piece. And then obviously do underneath your chest and cut the elastic so it's not too tight or obviously not too loose, just so it stays on your body. And the next step is to grab a safety pin and put it in the middle of the end of the elastic. And we're going to use this as a tool just so it glides along. We insert the elastic into the tunnel. So just like that. And you're going to help the elastic with that safety pin to go in all the way to the end. So this is how it looks once I've met the two ends. And the next step is to sew these both together and just a straight line, just so we can work with the bottom as well. And we're going to do the same thing. So put in our elastic with our safety pin all the way to the end and make sure they unite just like right here. And we're going to sew both of these just straight across, okay? And this is this fabric that you're seeing here. This is going to be what's going to be on the inside of your bra. So make sure that is facing upward. So this is how it looks once I've added the elastic on the bottom. And these are the two ends of the elastic once I've sewn them on top as well. And the next and final step is just to sew it shut. So we're going to be sewing right on top of the elastic, the fabric, and again the elastic. And that is it. You have your closed bra. And this is how it looks once I've sewn the side. And now I'm going to turn it inside out. And obviously fix the corrugated. And this is how it looks once it's finished. So this is how it turned out. I really envisioned it with some high-waisted jeans, which are these that I'm wearing right now. These are Fashion Nova. And it's super comfortable. Someone between extra small to large can use one bandana to make this bra. And obviously the elastic is going to vary from body to body. So I think it turned out super cool. If you guys happen to make it as well, make sure to hashtag DAMAV425 on Instagram or Facebook. I love to post on Instagram, so make sure to check me out. And make sure to check out all my Instagram stories. And make sure to also subscribe as well and hit that notification bell just so you know every time I upload a new video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.